Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Welcome to ASB channel. I am your host Ajay Mittal, and today we are going to discuss about how do we get into front-end development jobs in 2024. Right. So we are going to discuss a brief roadmap about how we can go about it. Right. So you should definitely see this video if you are aspiring to become a front-end developer, and we are going to be laying out a comprehensive roadmap to help you navigate the world of front end development and land your dream job. So let's dive in. So when we talk about front end development, you have to understand what exactly is front end development, right? So when we talk about website as a whole or web development, so there are two parts of it: front end and back end, right? So front end is basically forefront of creative, immersive and user friendly web experiences. So if you want to succeed in this dynamic field, then you need to master a few range of skills and technologies, right? So today we are going to discuss about all of them. So the very first thing is, start by building your strong foundation in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So these are the building blocks of web, and you need to understand them in depth. And it is very, very important for creating responsive and visually appealing websites, right? So if you're noting down, the first thing is a very solid foundation in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, right? Then the second thing is frameworks, right? So you have to learn front end frameworks. You have to deep dive into front end development by mastering popular frameworks like React, Angular, React JS, sorry, Vue.js. So these frameworks are, streamlining development, enhancing the performance, and they will empower you to build dynamic web applications, which is the requirement of today's day and age, right? So we've discussed about, building a strong foundation in HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and then learning front-end frameworks. Now the third portion comes where, you have to do a version control and collaboration, right? So you have to familiarize yourself with version control systems like Git and platforms like GitHub, because these tools are essential for collaborating with other developers. So when you will be working in a company, working on a project, so this is very essential. You need to know how to work on these platforms and control systems, because you'll be managing code changes, you'll be tracking project history, you'll be collaborating with the team and the other developers. So that's why you need to have a very, very good understanding and knowledge of these systems, right? Then what's the fourth point is going to be a performance optimization, right? You need to focus on optimizing website performance by mastering tools like Lighthouse, web page test, and performance profiling techniques. So you need to ensure that the load times are faster and there's smoother user experience, which is very, very crucial in front end development. So that's why you need to work on performance optimization as well. Now, the last thing that we have to focus if we are going for a front-end development is responsive design and cross browser compatibility, right? So you have to learn how to create responsive designs that adapt to different screen sizes and devices. Like, some users who are using mobile screens, there are people who are using laptop screens, there somebody is using on iPhone, somebody using on the tabs. So your design should be responsive enough that it will adapt to different screen sizes and different devices, right? And additionally, you also need to ensure cross browser compatibility to deliver a consistent experience across various browser and platforms. It shouldn't be like your website is working well on Chrome, but when it is working on Safari, there's some glitch, or when it's working on some other browser like Mozilla Firefox, is not delivering the same experience. So that's why cross-browser compatibility is very, very important, right? So just to go around, back from the first point, mastering the basics, which is building a strong foundation in HTML and CSS, JavaScript. Second is learning the front end frameworks like React, Angular. Then version control and collaboration, that is Git and GitHub. And then the fourth point being focusing on optimization of performance by different tools like Lighthouse, web page test. Then the last thing is responsive design and cross browser compatibility, right? So this was a very brief idea about how to get into front-end development. If you are someone who is residing and currently in Tri-City, Panchkula, Mohali, Chandigarh, you can definitely visit our office at Sector 74, Phase 8B, Mohali. We will give you a complete roadmap, and if you want to join our offline programs, we do have offline batches where we will teach you all these things from front end to back end and full stack, right from the beginning, from basics, by aligning you with different tasks and assignments, and then definitely giving you a project experience. So this is something, if you are looking forward to have an offline experience, we will help you out with that. And people who are outside this region, they can definitely follow this roadmap and continuously work on your skills, so that you'll be well equipped to pursue front end developer jobs in 2024, right? So you just have to remember to stay curious, keep learning, and embrace the ever evolving world of technology and front end development. So yeah, thanks for watching. And for any questions, any queries, you can reach out to us on our social media platforms, on LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, on YouTube, comments, and we will definitely get back to you and see you another day. Thank you.